Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Git installed and access methods set SSH or HTTPS. Once ready, find the library repo URL on GitHub and pick a local folder. Then run git clone repo URL so files stream to your machine. Make sure to clone the branch you need if it isn't main. This first step creates a working copy. It's immediate and reversible, and it gives you the exact codebase you will modify or use. Once the repo is local, read the README for dependency and install commands. That's your map. Next, run the recommended package manager command, pip install, npm install or Gradle build so dependencies resolve. Then import the library into your project files and execute a provided example to verify behavior. If tests or examples pass, you've integrated correctly. Make sure to use virtualenv or equivalent to avoid system conflicts. And to reproduce, finally, when you change or configure files, stage them with git add and commit with a clear message. Then push to a named branch so history stays clean. If you collaborate, open a pull request and request review. Once merged or pulled, pull latest on other machines to sync. If something breaks, check the remote URL and authentication method first, then verify dependency versions and run a clean install. That one troubleshooting tip fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.